If you want to set up the app timer on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case you want to open Settings. On the left side we're gonna scroll down until you find Digital, Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now we're gonna scroll down again to find app timers, and you might be able to find some example apps or categories, and we can use them in order to set the timer for these, but you can also tap on this field itself in order to create your own timer. So first we have the name of the timer, so you can set the name like games, for example, or movies, etc. We can also tap on this icon on the right side in order to change the icon a little bit. And we can also select items that we want to include in that timer. So for example, if I choose this game over here, and if I also choose, let's say, Spotify, these two apps will have shared app timer. So if I spend, let's say, 30 minutes in the game and another 30 minutes in the second app on Spotify, then in total I will use 1 hour of that timer. And we can also create a schedule over here, so we can choose how much time we want to be able to spend in these apps, in these selected items. So if I set it to 3 hours, of course, then I will have 3 hours in total between these apps. And also I can exclude or include specific days of the week, so you can choose during which days of the week this timer should be relevant. And we can press save in order to save it. And there we go. Over here we have our timer. We can of course go back into the timer and make some additional changes later on if you decide to do so. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.